Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock app in Realme Note 50. So for locking the app, first of all, just go to setting and search for app lock here. As you guys see, we don't have any default setting about app lock in Realme Note 50. So we have to use a third party app. So for this, all you guys have to do, just go to Play Store and then search for app lock here. So on the very first App Lock Pro, then install this application. So after installing, open the application and then create a password. Again re-enter the password and then click on save. Then give the permission. As you see, we have App Lock Pro. Just open it and allow the permission. Again give the permit and again switch it on. That's it. Now let me lock some app. I am locking camera, file manager and TikTok. Okay. Now let's see the camera application required password now. It means it's working. Now it's time for TikTok. See, it's working very accurately. So that's how we can apply app lock in Realme Note 50 through the third party application. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.